Umentri katanat animal husbandry but veterinary uba sanbor shulai hagatari ujilio arja arpuar ulaitu baga Sorkar kelas dangai ka kam banbo no ekawe ka veterinary university hakadem kulai Haribhoi district ulaitu banaka banta ka nigo university lamang banbei south park lutingka banbenta ka Pynkhreh ka DPR kadang ya chakman
Pumulong siwigi state kamtama ki BJP ruling state kiyo yagini ki scheme na benta ban ka benefit jong isamla jong kum kabalong benta kisamla jong ba puli kalan veterinary na po state jong ya beli puli siapa kabajan de kare po Guwahati wasam la jong la jong ka hospital la jong university yang tai te la pisim yagini ki samla jong ba puli veterinary ne te la bedog gi bawan na kay ga bedog iba plikat no mi pa habis lagi masih habis lagi jingdon jing MHI yang ban nang study kun ban support ya ka expenses ke jongki tadagi ladon na ka jong lajong hang ne ga kan ka pensuk gi nong kondong gini tairu nomor ha university gin gi hostel ru te la pi le chatai ga jinglut le se jero chiwi wi kelas udhu ga jinglut le se kal la ga long 1000 sebenai hang ne do long standar no stang san spa ka kata ga diga benefits matagi semua tuli ba long interest benda yang kalan bitan
ubasan bor ulai thuru baga Sorkar jilla kadone ke jingthu banchna no dakawe ke jail Haniu Shillong township badminta ki kam ban Pynkhreh ekani kidang ya chikman
just recently last week we had a meeting between the urban official of the urban department, the official of the jail and prison department, the minister of urban and me. We sit together and we pass the resolution, the minutes of the meeting. We have, in principle, we have signed also that the land comprises of 25 acre and Maugengyang will be allotted by the urban affairs department to the prison, department of prison, for the proposed construction of central jail. And this existing jail at jail road will be handing over to the urban. And the proposal of the urban is to suppose in future the proposal is to construct the parking facilities for the general public, including stalls, shop complex. It will generate employment also for the to serve educated and employed youth.
What will be the capacity of the central jail? The proposed central jail, what will be its capacity?
5,000. Central jail, 5,000
inmates. 5,000
inmates. 2,500 male, 2,100 female.
We have seen that this proposal was there for quite some time, the central jail, but till now nothing has happened.
Because I don't know what happened. The file is not moving. Nobody is interested to look after the file. What is this proposal? This proposal will benefit whom? Only thing you have to think. If you work for the state, you have to think for the children. You have to think for the future of our children in the state by setting up all this kind of benefit institution. But it is getting stagnant here. I don't know what happened.